The UN Sustainable Development Goals.
Sustainable Development Goals.
The 17 Sustainable Development
UN
Goals.
Sustainable Development Goals.
To reach the Sustainable Development
The
Goals.
Sustainable Development Goals.
Oh my god, Hannah, you know what? My chemistry lab test was a complete disaster. I had no idea how to use a pH indicator, and I don't have enough time to complete my experiment. How am I supposed to know which indicator to use when there are so many to choose from, and all of the colors are so confusing?
Oh, poor you. Do you want some salad? I was planning to make it tonight.
No, thank you. I had no idea why you like red so much. All it does is just stand your mouth red, stand your mouth red, stand your mouth red, stand your mouth red.
A few moments later.
Wow, it's so nice. Our product is portable and user-friendly. I believe that it can be used by everyone without considering their gender, nor age.
Yes, well, the question is, can it solve your problem?
What is that?
Good day, this is Global News. On this day, 25th August 2020, the latest edition of the pHi-Kit is in the midst of creating revolutionary progress in the field of agriculture. The pHi-Kit can be used to determine the pH value of soil before planting so that the crops of yield can be maximized. Thus, the crops not only can be sold locally, but also can be exported to other countries and produce a positive economic effect to a country. It's a significance to zero hunger. Indirectly, the working chances also increase because the agriculture sector had been developed. Thus, the rate of poverty will be decreased as the opportunities for work are provided in a large number. Furthermore, the pHi-Kit is also used in the food industry to determine the pH value of food produced and ensure that the food is safe to be consumed by humans. By determining the pH value of food, humans can avoid from food poisoning due to consumption of food which is too acid or alkaline. Therefore, the health level of humans will also improve. This product is not only making storms here, but also in health and wellness sector.
This is Global News, and today, on the 25th August 2025, we would like to highlight the significant impact of the pHi-Kit, which serves not only human needs but also supports all forms of life, both terrestrial and aquatic. Access to clean water is a fundamental human right, and this pH indicator kit is crucial for ensuring water quality by accurately measuring alkalinity and acidity. For instance, community health workers utilize these kits to assess local water sources. As demonstrated here, researchers are collecting samples from nearby water sources to evaluate their pH levels. ensuring that the water is safe and meets the appropriate standards for local consumption. This monitoring is particularly relevant to marine ecosystems where pH levels are vital for the health of coral reefs and shellfish, both of which are highly sensitive to fluctuations in pH and also temperature. The importance of this pHi-Kit extends to all living organisms as changes in pH levels can result from climate change, impacting aquatic systems, and many more. By tracking pH levels, researchers can estimate the acidity of rainfall and develop strategies to mitigate the effects of these changes. By monitoring water and soil quality, we can take informed actions to protect our environment and ensure a sustainable future for generations to come. Last but not least, we cannot deny the role this pHi-Kit has played in the progress of developing nations.
This is Global News, and today marks the 25th of August 2013. This is remarkable as a decade ago, we could have never foreseen the prosperity that we could gain from the implementation of this pHi-Kit, especially in the education sector. When teachers implement the usage of Methodical pHi-Kit in class, the experiment time can be shortened by half. It is also an innovative way to attract students to focus on class because it is a more interesting way to learn and study. Besides that, the pHi-Kits were designed non-generic as anyone can use this pHi-Kit for doing research. Additionally, encouraging female participants in STEM through such practical tools can help bridge gender gaps in this field. Furthermore, the pHi-Kit was exported to developing countries at lower price, reducing the burden of those countries for the debt crisis. Thus, the pHi-Kit is also very convenient as it is low in cost and the education opportunities are provided to the young generations. This kit also teaches students the basic of sustainable practice, which can be further utilized as students grow in active members of their cities and communities. By using organic substance such as red cabbage, which is biodegradable and non-toxic, the kit minimizes chemical waste compared to traditional pH indicators. Furthermore, the hands-on experience with structured procedure when handling these kits reinforce the broader lesson that following established rules is crucial for achieving reliable and methodic outcomes. Lastly, additional institutions, NGOs, and government have continuously partnered to provide training on the use of pHi-Kit to developing countries for environmental monitoring, which maintains healthy ecosystem and communities.
Women, we need to go back to 2018.
That was single-handedly the most craziest thing happening in my life. Yeah, how did it work? I can do it in work, and not only this in work. I'm going to change the world. I love your energy, but before changing the world, let's change your big face.
The first pHi-Kit is simple. The Methodical pHi-Kit is a product used to determine the pH value of a substance by using eco-friendly materials. This Methodical pHi-Kit can bring many benefits to humans. For instance, it can be used in food factories to determine the pH value of food produced before packaging, thus making sure that the food eaten is healthy in the aspect of pH value. Next, it can be used by lecturers and teachers when conducting classes. Other than that, it can be used in farming to determine the pH value of soil before planting to ensure that the soil used to plant fruit and vegetables are safe. Last but not least, it can be used to determine the pH value of the water. This is to ensure that the source of water such as seawater and pond water is not polluted and make sure that the water is safe to be drunk.
The second P is planet.
The Methodical Phi-Kit has a powerful and positive impact on the environment by significantly reducing the time required to determine the pH of soil and water, help to reduce pollution by facilitating early detection of acidic level in soil and water.
Supports biodiversity through the use of natural indicators like red cabbage, promoting sustainable and easily accessible materials. Other than that, by empowering green technology, the kit encourages eco-friendly practices and prioritizes sustainable materials and environmentally friendly design practices, ensuring portability for ease of transport. The Methodical Phi-Kit presents significant commercial potential, increasing community interest in pH testing and its critical role in environmental preservation. By fostering engagement and awareness, the Methodical Phi-Kit not only serves as the educational tool but also contributes to collective efforts aimed at environmental preservation.
The third P is prosperity. First of all, the Methodical Phi-Kit provides educational enrichment. It provides an interactive and practical tool for STEM learning. Besides, it enhances students' understanding in chemistry too. Second, the Methodical Phi-Kit promotes green chemistry. It uses organic substances like red cabbage extract to act as pH indicator instead of using chemical substances. It reduces reliance on using potentially harmful chemicals. It also encourages sustainable scientific practices for a better environment. Third, the Methodical Phi-Kit is a portable and mini kit that ensures that it is accessible for a wide range of educational settings. Last but not least, the Methodical Phi-Kit also supports educators. It's aiding lecturers and teachers in demonstrating pH changes effectively and efficiently. It also helps educators in delivering high-quality learning processes.
The fourth P is peace. Using the Methodical Phi-Kit in the agricultural industry can have significant positive impacts on resource management and conflict prevention, thus leading to the peace of the world. By using the Methodical Phi-Kit to adjust soil pH, farmers can ensure that crops receive the right balance of nutrients, leading to higher yields. In addition, regular pH monitoring helps maintain soil health over the long term. Evidently, agricultural practices can reduce environmental degradation, which is often a factor in resource conflicts. While a pH kit alone won't bring peace, it contributes to conditions that support stability and cooperation, which can help create a more peaceful world.
The last P is partnership. Partnership between para-matriculation college and higher education institutions like UKM and USM enable this product to enter a new sector as research and cooperation helps extend the production lines and using more pricey materials to produce this Methodical Phi-Kit. Low production cost makes this product become more user-friendly, so that it can be exported to other countries, especially development countries, to achieve sustainable development goals. We aim to have partnership with NGO, private companies, and international organizations, allow for the sharing of resource, knowledge, and expertise. International partnership enable countries to share insight with each other and coordinate efforts to address global challenges like climate change and poverty.